Unlock the secret to professional photos right from your iPhone with the magic of Lightroom presets. First, open the Lightroom mobile app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from the App Store. Next, choose the photo you want to edit from your library. Once it's loaded, locate and tap the presets icon at the bottom of your screen. It typically looks like two overlapping circles. This will open the presets panel, displaying various preset collections. You can scroll through these categories, like color, creative, or B&W, to find the perfect look. Tap on any preset to instantly see how it transforms your image. Don't be afraid to experiment. Once you find the one you love, simply tap the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner to apply it. And just like that, your photo is instantly enhanced with a beautiful, professional edit. You can now further fine-tune it or export it. To save your masterpiece, tap the share icon at the top right of the screen, and then select Save to Camera Roll or share it directly to your favorite social media platforms. Applying presets in Lightroom Mobile is an effortless way to elevate your mobile photography, giving your images a cohesive and polished look, even when you're on the go.